You buy your Astropay voucher here for this amount, then you come down to this platform where you redeem the Astropay voucher. Very simple. Then you come down to Binance to sell for this amount. Welcome back once again. It's Arbitrage Genius. For you guys that haven't subscribed to this channel, please kindly do that now. In today's video, I'll be showing you guys how to buy your Astropay voucher at a lower price and sell on Binance at a higher price to make profit. And for you to perform this arbitrage, 3 applications will be involved. The name of the first application is recharge.com, while the name of the second application is Binance, and the third will be revealed in the video later. So kindly stick with me and watch this video to the end so you get to know everything that is involved, the fee, application, and all other things that are involved for you to carry out this arbitrage successfully. So now, for Android users, all you have to do is come down to Google Play Store and search recharge.com. That's the name of the first application, recharge.com. So this is it right here. So you click on it and then install. Because I have it installed, that's why you are seeing this option to open. So after you've installed the application, what you have to do next is to click on open. So you open the application. So this is it opening up. So this is the welcome page for recharge.com. So what you have to do is just leave the preferred language to English and change your preferred currency to NGN, which is Nigerian Naira, NGN, and then click on continue right here. So let's do that. Yes. And then the page like this will open up. I will just go with not now. I will set up later. So then we come to explore. So we now have a list of available products on this platform, but the section that concerns us the most is this prepaid gift card section. So and then to open up that section, what you have to do is just click on this show all, or just tap right here which says prepaid credit cards. So let's just do that. Let's click on that. So let's click on that prepaid credit card. So these are the available prepaid credit cards. So among all these available credit cards, we will be going for this Astropay voucher right here. So let's tap on that. Let it open up. Okay, yeah. So now we've now opened up the page for the Astropay voucher. As you can see, to be used in Nigeria, let's leave it at default. So this product currency, we have to change it to USD. So let's do that. Let's tap on USD. And then for this tutorial, we'll be using 100 USD. Yes. So now let's tap on 100 USD. As you can see right here, this is the amount we'll be paying for 100 USD. If we put this in our calculator, meaning they are charging a rate of 801.24 naira per USD. So this is very good, guys. So now once we selected the amount we want to buy, which is 100 USD, then we proceed by clicking on buy now. Now let's do that. Let's tap on buy now. So the checkout page will open up like this. So you guys have to note this. Recharge.com always charge a service fee. This is the fee right here. This is the amount we'll be paying for 100 USD Astropay voucher, which is 80,124 naira. Then a service fee of 4,810 naira. Then the total is 84,924. So after we've gotten that, we click on continue. Then a page like this will open up where they will request for our email address, where our Astropay voucher will be sent after we've made the payment. So I'll just put in something random. No, but you don't have to put in something random. I'm only putting something random for this tutorial because our voucher will actually be sent to this mail, so it must be valid. So after that, after I put in a valid email address, I'll click on continue right here. So let's wait for it. As you can see, this is the page where we select our payment method. So you choose your preferred payment method. We have the Visa card, MasterCard payments, Maestro, and all that. Only this American Express attracts another fee of 2,900. But in this tutorial, we won't be using that. We'll just go for this, either this Visa or MasterCard. So let's proceed with Visa card. You can see it's free. So now a page like this will open up. So we've selected our payment method to be Visa card. This is our email address, and this is the amount we'll be paying. Proceed by clicking on this finish order right here. So let's tap on that. We'll be prompted to the payment page where we input our card information. So for you to make the payment, you input your card information, your card number, expiring date, CVV, name on card, and then you click on make payment right here. But in this tutorial, I won't be making payments, so I'll just click on this cancel payment. But for you to carry out this arbitrage opportunity, you have to input your card information and click on make payments. So you will be debited this amount. You'll be debited the total amount of 4,927 naira. So let's note that. Then after we've gotten our Astropay voucher, then we move to the next application where we'll be redeeming our Astropay voucher and converting it to USDT, which will be sent to Binance. So I'll move to the second application right now. So this is the second application where the actual magic is done. As you can see, my transactions, you can see I've performed a lot of transactions on this platform. I've done a lot. As you can see, these are successful transactions. These are my deposits, and whenever you see minus, these are the points where I withdrew to Binance, where I withdrew my funds to Binance. You can see -8, -8. You can see withdrawal, crypto, BTC, Ethereum Plus. So I actually chose USDT. So, but for the other ones, they are deposits. You can see 9.4, they are top up with Astropay, and the withdrawal with crypto. For you to use this platform, you have to be fully verified. As you can see, this is my limits. So you can see that you can perform this arbitrage opportunity over and over and over. So for you to top up, I'll go back to my home page. Then I'll click on this button right here. So let's do that. Let's tap on that button and click on top up. After clicking on top up, we bought an Astropay voucher of 100 USD. So we input 100 USD and tap on top up right here. So after doing that, we choose Astropay. There are other methods of depositing also, but we'll be going for this Astropay. And you have to take note of this. It attracts a fee of 6%. So now let's tap on Astropay. So a top-up page like this we open up. We have various deposit methods. We have Astropay wallet, Astropay voucher, and bank transfer. We'll be going for this Astropay voucher right here, because if you go for this bank transfer, the fee is very high. Let me show you the fee. As you can see, for just 100 USD, we're paying a total of 102,044. We don't want this. This rate is too high. So we go back. Let's go back. Okay, Astropay. And then we choose the Astropay voucher. Let's wait for it to open up. Yeah. Yes. So we choose this Astropay voucher option right here. So let's do that. Let's tap on Astropay voucher. Then we click on add voucher. So let's tap on that. So we input the code sent to us from recharge.com into this text box right here. So once we input the code, we tap on pay. So instantly, this platform, our account right here will be credited with a total of 100 USD. Oh, sorry, excluding the fee. So once the fee of 6% is charged, we will now have a total balance of 94 USD left. Once 6% is charged, the top-up fee. So after topping up, instantly we come back to our home page and tap on this icon right here. Once we do that, we click on withdraw. This withdraw option. When we tap on that, we tap on these methods and limits. So, and then we choose crypto right here. For withdrawal, there's also a fee of 2%. So there's always a fixed fee of 8% when using this platform, 6% for deposit and 2% for withdrawal. So these options are actually not live because I don't have funds in these accounts at the moment. So once we now have a 94 USD in this account, these options will come live and we'll be going for this crypto option. So once we tap on crypto option, we will select USDT and go straight to Binance. Let me do that. So now we are on our Binance account. Before I proceed, if you haven't subscribed to this channel, please kindly do that now and click on the notification bell, and don't forget to share this video. So once we are on our Binance account, we click on Spot. We'll go to our Spot account, then we click on USDT right here. So once we are on our USDT page, we tap on deposits. We choose this deposits option, and then we copy our Binance TRC20 address. So once we copy that, then we go back to the second platform. Let me do that and get back to you guys. Yeah, so I'm back here. So we paste our Binance USDT TRC20 address into this platform. So our USDT will be sent straight into our Binance account. Then we go back to Binance P2P to sell that fund. So now I'm on Binance P2P. And don't forget, guys, we'll be receiving a total amount of 92 USDT in our Binance account because we will debited 6% for deposits and 2% for withdrawal. So that's a total of 8%. So we'll be left with 92 USDT. So once we have 92 USDT in our Binance account, we transfer from our spots to trading. So once we've done that, we'll come down to P2P and we change our currency right here to NGN. And don't forget, you click on this filter option to filter out the amount we want to buy. Let's just input 80,000 naira, and then we untick this option which says only show ads from merchants. Let's do that, and then we click on confirm. So once we do that, let's refresh this page. We are selling USDT. Remember, we've gotten USDT in our Binance account and we are selling. So let's go back to this selling option. We are selling USDT, and then this guy is also good. A completion rate of 83%. That's not too good, but his rate is high. His rate is kind of high, and as you can see, he completes his trade in the window time of 15 minutes. That's actually good. I also have to note his payment method is paying with Opay, bank transfer, and Sterling Bank. I think that meets all our criteria. We are good to go with that. So let's tap on sell. So once we tap on sell, we choose buy crypto and then we input 92 USDT. So we'll be getting a total amount of 86,397 naira. So let's compare that to the amount which we were debited to purchase the Astropay voucher. As shown right here, we were debited a total amount of 84,926. So let me open up my calculator real quick and show you guys the price difference, the profit you make just in a single trade. So here's my calculator. You'll be selling for 86,397 and we purchased for a total amount of. You can keep performing this arbitrage opportunity over and over. There's no limit, guys. So this is very amazing. So let's just imagine in a single trade you are making a profit of 1,470, and just in a day you are able to do a turnover of 50 times. Let's just assume you are able to do this arbitrage 50 times a day. So imagine you're making a total profit of 73,500 naira. This is real, guys. All you need is just a total capital of this amount right here, 85,000 naira. Then you can keep repeating the process over and over. Then in the long run, if you are able to perform this arbitrage 50 times a day, you'll be making a total profit of 75,000 naira. So this is amazing and wonderful, guys. For more information and content like this, kindly click on that subscribe button and smash that notification bell. And don't forget to like this video. And if you have any other question, kindly drop it in the comment section. So thank you once again and bye.